Hello everyone, my name is Leo. I'm a master student in UMich, and I'm presenting improving user experience in speech recognition with LLM. So it's basically just tries to use LLMs to improve speech recognition results without fine tuning, and we also want to incorporate users' feedback to improve the current speech recognition system. So I'm happy and very looking forward to share with you guys about this topic later in the poster session. So thank you.
So in our work, we investigate the topic higher order theory of mind. So if you don't know the idea of higher order theory of mind, you can look at this picture. They don't know that we know, they know we know. So this is the basic idea of higher order theory of mind. So we adapt this Sally Ann's story to build a higher order theory of mind data set to evaluate the ability in large language models. So we evaluated GPT-4 here and GPT 3.5 and also Llama and Cloud. The result is here, and we find that the ability decreased. Thank you.
Thank you.
We propose task adaptive tokenization as a way to adapt generation pipeline to the downstream task and enhance non-text from generation in mental health. Our proposed task adaptive tokenizer samples variable segmentations from multiple outcomes with the sampling probabilities optimized by the task data. We introduce a three-step framework to building such kind of tokenizer.
Time.
Thank you.
So hi everyone, I'm Yunxiang, and I'm going to present my work on open domain question answering, which is and this is a task that requires models to answer questions about factual knowledge. So we augment the performance by merging knowledge from two sources. The first one is static corpora like Wikipedia, and the second one is the content generated by large language models. So we propose a framework to guide the reader with both factual and relevant information from these two sources, and this can mitigate the impacts of the knowledge conflicts that can confound QA models.
Perfect.
So this project is just an approach towards red teaming large language models, and we use an actor-critic network to iteratively update a prompt to the LLM to optimize just how bad the generations are.
Graphite is an automatic adversarial attack pipeline that can, with only black box access, generate physical perturbation attacks such as these stickers to convert the stop sign to a speed limit sign. And we hope that this will guide future defense design for more robust systems.
Hi, so in convex optimization, like in iterative method, there are two things, the cost of heavy iteration and the benefit that you get. While other methods, either their cost to benefit ratio increase as you increase the cost, or they don't work. So we propose first method whose cost to benefit ratio remains constant even if you increase the cost, and generally it works in all the regimes. So check out the poster.
Hi, this is Xiaoming, and in this work, we basically consider to combine federative learning with adversarial training, propose a general FAL framework, and theoretically show that our algorithm can fit training data robustly and converge. Thanks.
For robotics task, grounding is one of the most important capability. And we study how a large language model agent can help with this process. Come and see us at the poster session. There's a live demo too. Thank you.
So how can we evaluate reinforcement learning in high-stakes domains like healthcare in a safe, responsible manner? In our NeurIPS 2023 paper, we proposed a new framework that combines human annotations of counterfactuals with the factual data to enable better evaluation. Come to my poster to learn more. Thank you.
Hi. Obtaining accurate time-to-event labels in survival analysis is difficult. So we're often forced to work with multiple noisy proxies. For more information on what noisy proxies are and how to work with them, come see my poster.
Endpointing is a step in the automatic speech recognition process that determines the end of an utterance, and non-adaptive endpointing can disadvantage people with speech disfluencies or impediments. Our solution is adaptive endpointing with multi-bandits. We don't have to use supervised data set, and we can reduce latency we can reduce cutoff rate without sacrificing too much latency. I want to hear more? Come to our poster.
Yeah. I don't want to keep you from lunch, but I work with the federal government, USGS, and we automate the detection and classification of marine wildlife, and we work a lot with Stella. So come to the poster.
Imagine you are applying for a loan and the bank uses a machine learning model to determine the approval but rejects your application. Recourse can help you by providing counterfactuals and recommendations on what should have been done to get approval. Existing methods fail to consider personalization risk and real events in life, which might lead to situations requiring more efforts to recover. We apply risk-averse reinforcement learning and also explore gender disparity in terms of risk in recourse problems.
Yep, so antibiotics, once effective in treating infections, are becoming ineffective due to antibiotic resistance, which itself is becoming a huge problem. One possible solution is combination therapy, but again, we need to find effective combinations, and the problem of combinatorial exclusion is there. So we use machine learning with individual drug profiles and experimental data to design such combinations. And model interpretation also helps us to hypothesize that our pipeline can help in expediting the process of drug discovery and efficient experiment design. And please drop by poster for more details.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sarah Jabor. So AI could aid clinicians in the diagnosis of hospitalized patients, but is known to be systematically biased. So rather than focusing on clinically relevant features, it focuses on things it shouldn't. And regulatory guidance has called for AI models to include explanations to mitigate errors. We conducted a study where we surveyed 457 participants across 14 states to test whether or not clinicians could catch when AI was wrong when we gave them the AI's explanations, finding that we could help clinician if the AI was accurate, but it didn't work. Thank you.
Have you ever wondered how do human babies acquire their first language? In this work, we took a refreshing human-inspired approach to redefine the acquisition process as both attention filtration as well as representation learning. With our comparative learning approach, we explicitly extract the similarities and differences to refine the concepts learning. It is efficient, it's grounded, and it enables continual learning. With that, you can do multi-attribute learning, recognition. You can picture pink Donald Trump in your head or tick a little bit. Let's say change hair color to red. Come find out more.
Hi, my name is Jalen Herskowitz, and I'll be presenting our work on DIY assistive technology. So most assistive technologies, AI-based assistive technologies for blind people, focus on simple and common use cases. So we're looking at end-user programming as an approach to help people customize and create their own AI-based assistive technologies.
I don't know if you guys are on X or Twitter or Archive or what, but everyone in this room is well aware that every single day it seems like there's a new foundational model. And man, I want to try them all out, but they all have different controls. I don't know what to do. So I made a card game. You can play this card game, and you can group things together and make new output, and they can communicate together with different generative models. It's pretty cool. Come check it out. Live demo, maybe. We'll see.
Touchscreen devices like self-service kiosks are everywhere in the daily life, but they are not always accessible for visually and motor impaired users. So we developed this phone case called Brushlens, which have this small actuator that can physically push and pull to simulate a fingertip touch. So by doing this, using the cell phone camera, the device can locate the button and guide the user towards the button they want to press and touch the button on behalf of the user. We have a demo session outside, so feel free to check out. Thanks.
So hey everyone, my name is Andy, and for blind and visually impaired people, it's very hard for them to access image content. They often do it in either textual way or touch-based way. We designed an app called Image Explorer, and it's now available on App Store. We use the app to help them access image content and use user data to study their interaction with the image. And feel free to scan to download. Yeah, and this one is also mine. So there's a lot of like flat and inaccessible interfaces in the world, like microwaves and oven panels. How would blind and visually impaired users use them? We also designed an app called Vigilance. It uses computer vision to provide real-time audio feedback to blind users to help them use this kind of interfaces. And we also deployed it on the App Store and want to use this app data to kind of study how they interact with those interfaces. And yeah, feel free to download it to try. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Shane. So we know that natural language processing, things like ChatGPT, have seen a lot of excitement. We wondered what impacts students' experience, beginners to this field, in getting their hands on those technologies. There's a few different possible factors. We'll study them and talk about them at our poster, so come say hello.
Hi, I'm Jeremy. So we rethink the roles of AI and users in designing some awareness systems, and we propose an approach that leverage both human and machine intelligence in this process.
Hi, I'm Trenton, and I study how human biases can potentially affect the labels used for training machine learning models. To learn more about the problem that I target and our method for mitigating these biases while maintaining good performance, come check out my poster.
Hi. When I walked out of my apartment this morning, I checked my phone, and my phone says there's a 10% chance of rain. But based on my experience, when it says 10%, it almost never rains, and maybe once in 100 times. So what I did was probability recalibration. And in this project, we asked the question, what is the optimal way to recalibrate, and what to do when there's a distribution shift?
Hi, I'm Nai Hao. So in this project, because in reality, we can have different sentiment or different emotion towards the same text. And so in this project, instead of aggregating the labels, we let the models learn directly from data that has inherent disagreement. And the effects, you can see that the model can accommodate its prediction for each annotator, and it can be grounded to real-world demographic features. Check out our poster. Thank you.
We use GPT-3 to make synthetic data sets for mental health, and we compare it to real life patterns.
So in our project, we were trying to see if vision language models work the same for everyone. And so we investigated CLIP and we evaluated it on a data set of different household images from different income groups. So we found that the people from the lower income groups were consistently worse. They have consistently worse performance on those images as compared to the wealthier ones. So if you want to learn more, come check out my poster.
It's the transitions, yeah. So this is an application of AI medicine. Basically, patients with aortic aneurysms, they're at risk of fatal rupture. So we scan them regularly to keep track of the aorta size, but that can take a human like 15 to 45 minutes to do. So we automate it with some deep learning and other techniques. So come to our poster to check out more.
My name is Sadar Ansari. I'm presenting on behalf of Negar Farzan, who was unable to be here. This is a work on deployment of an ARDS detection model and how the output of the model can be combined with clinician predictions or the diagnosis and different strategies and what performs best and also reduces the burden on the clinicians. Looking forward to discuss it at the poster session.
Hi, my name is Henrike Flores-Bos. I manage the eHealth and Artificial Intelligence Initiative, which is jointly supported by the medical school and the College of Engineering. If you are a faculty member interested in working at the intersection of AI and health, come tell me about your research and I will tell you how eHealth can support it.
Hello. It's me again. So right now we have a machine learning model running in the hospital at Michigan Medicine, and we're in the process of a year-long quality improvement program to measure how effective this AI-driven targeted intervention bundle is at reducing a particular type of hospital-acquired infection. Come to the poster to learn more. Thank you.
So in my study, I analyze socioeconomic status, race, and English language abilities, amongst other factors, and the impact they have on AP exams through machine learning. And so the first thing I do is I use machine learning models to predict AP exam performance, and then I analyze which factors the models value the most through Shapley additive explanations, or SHAP. And I was able to conclude that economic disadvantaged and bilingual/ESL influenced AP exam performance the most.
Hello, everybody. My name is Hojae, and for my project, I developed MorphNet, which uses generative models such as scans and diffusion models to predict 2D and 3D neuron structures from gene expression. This is an exciting way to investigate the effects of genes and how they affect neuromorphology, and is really relevant for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Here's a QR code for the bioRxiv paper, and I posted the poster nearby the registration table. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nassim, and in this work we proposed a multilingual meaning representation model, which besides being multilingual, it tackles some other weaknesses of abstract meaning representation model. We generated 2 data sets for the model and applied it in some NLP tasks, which we can discuss more if you want to visit my poster.
Hello, everyone. My name is Juana Ignat, and I have the poster on investigating how to reduce annotation budget by finding the most effective data to annotate for multimodal models. A motivation for this is that visual language models currently work pretty poorly on underrepresented countries. So we do a study on 52 countries across 90 topics and select the most effective data to annotate. So that will reduce the budget.
Hi, everyone. My name is Lei. Would you like an AI assistant to help you decorate your new apartment? In VR Copilot, we study how users can interact with generative AI models in virtual reality when designing 3D layouts, such as furniture arrangement. Come check out our poster.
Well, that was fun. Hope everyone enjoyed that. So we'll have lunch in the poster session right now, and then we will be putting up QR codes to vote for Best Poster Awards. There's 5 awards: Best Demo, Best Poster, Best Responsible AI Contribution, Most Creative Application of AI, and Best Technical Contribution. So please vote when those are up.
No, this is exciting.